Hey makeup buddies, my name is Neha. Welcome to my channel Makeup-vali. In today's tutorial, I am going to feature a bold black purple makeup look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and find it useful. If you like my videos, then do like, share, subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. I'll start with my brows as usual, and to fill my brows I'm going to pick up Sugar Cosmetic Brow Definer Tube Tom. Mainly I will focus on my sparse areas of the brow. After that I'll comb my brows from the spoolie. For eye base I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer shade Medium Beige, and with the help of mini sponge I will blend it. To set my eye base plus to prevent creasing, I am taking my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder shade light to medium. Like always I am using this sticky tape for the sharp edges. For eyeshadow palette I am using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette Rose in the Air. I am taking this color on my fluffy brush. This is for my transition shade. After that I'm taking this beautiful dark pink shade from the palette and applying it to my crease area, and keep blending until you're not happy with the intensity of the color. Next I'm picking this black shade from Morphe palette and applying it on my outer V. For my lid I'm taking this purple shade on my flat shader brush. This palette is Chinese palette, so I don't want to mention it, but yes, the color and the pigmentation of this palette is average, means it's fulfill the purpose. After that I'm taking this shade from Wet n Wild Rose in the Air and cleaning the upper part of my eye. Now I'm removing my sticky tape. That I will clean my lower part of eye area, and then I will apply concealer to the lower portion of my eye to hide dark circles and redness. And to blend my concealer I'm using PAC Mini Beauty Blender. And to set my concealer, once again I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Step to fill my eyes with kohl. Here I'm using Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes Kajal. Applying it to my lower lash line. With the help of flat shader brush, I will smoke it out. I'll apply kajal till my inner corner. It's kind of inner eyeliner. And for my water eyeline I'm using white eyeliner from Wet n Wild Always White. But I feel that liquid eyeliner is better than kajal. That's why I have changed my mind and applying liquid liner. And for that I'm using Maybelline Colossal Bold Eyeliner. All of a sudden I have created this look and it turns out pretty well. So I thought to share with you all. Next step is to coat my lashes with mascara, and for that I'm using Magnetic Eyes Faces Canada. For false eyelashes I'm using this 3D Red Cherry Soft and Natural Lashes. Now I'm highlighting my brow bones and little bit inner corner, and for that I'm using Makeup Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant. My eye look is complete. What do you think about this look? Let me know in the comment section box. If you like this video and you like my skill, then hit the like button. Do subscribe to my channel. keep supporting, keep watching Makeup-vali. I'll see you soon with my next makeup tutorial. Till then, bye bye.